The topic is radius of the orbit of the electron. First, here, for example, we have taken the hydrogen atom. First, the nucleus at rest and the nucleus at center. Nucleus at center and electron revolving around the nucleus and in circular orbit. Electron revolving around the nucleus in circular orbit, and we know electron is a negatively charged. First, here you see the diagram description. First, Z is atomic number and Ze is charge of the nucleus and Rn is radius of the atom, minus E we know charge of the electron, Vn velocity of the electron, F centripetal force. So now we are going to see the nucleus. Nucleus is made up of protons and neutrons. Proton is a positively charged. Neutron is electrically neutral. Charge of the electron is plus Ze. So Coulomb's law, we know force of attraction between nucleus and electron. So we know the equation for Coulomb's law, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught plus Ze 1 into minus E by Rn square into R cap. We know the formula for centripetal force, mvn square divided by Rn into R cap. So now we are taking the modulus of equating these modulus of two forces. So F Coulomb force is equal to F centripetal force. So we are substituting this F Coulomb and F centripetal. Now 1 by 4 pi modulus, when we are taking the out of the modulus, the plus minus will become plus. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is a T Rn square into R cap and equal to mv square by Rn into R cap. So we are cancelling R cap and R cap. So now we are reciprocating. So Rn will go up. So Rn square 4 pi epsilon naught divided by Ze square is equal to Rn by mv square. So now we have to find the radius of the orbit. So we are taking radius in other side. So 4 pi epsilon naught into R square, Rn square into mv square divided by Ze square. RHS என்ன பண்ணுவோம்னா m into m multiply by m and divided by m பண்ணுவோம். So Rn is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught Rn square, then we multiply m square, so v square divided by Z mv square. So Rn is equal to, when we are taking mv square the whole square, we can write like this. So 4 pi epsilon naught mv square Rn the whole square divided by Z mv square. So we have got 4 pi epsilon naught mv Rn the whole square divided by Z mv square. So here mv are the whole square. Why we have put that? Because of according to Bohrs assumption of angular momentum coordination condition, mv Rn is equal to ln, which is nothing but angular momentum. So we can otherwise write as nh Stokes. So nh Stokes is nothing but h by 2 pi and n is nothing but natural numbers. ln angular momentum of electron in the nth orbital. So Rn is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught nh square mv Rn nh square the whole square divided by Z me square. So here nh square we are separating n square and h square. So 4 pi epsilon naught n square h square divided by Z e square 4 pi square. Why no? H pi is equal to h by 2 pi. No. So when we h pi square now h square by 4 pi square. So I am writing that h square by 4 pi x square. So 4 pi and 4 pi cancel. E naught n square e naught h square divided by pi me square. So you have constant. So
that
next
is epsilon naught. Not E naught, epsilon naught.
Sorry.
Okay.
So epsilon naught. So on n square by Z. So Rn is equal to, we are taking that A naught is equal to epsilon naught h square by pi me square. So therefore Rn is equal to A naught n square by Z. So when we know these are constant values. So when we substitute these values, we got 0.529 Armstrong, which is nothing but 0.529 into 10 power minus 10 meter. So Bohrs radius of hydrogen atom. So now we are substituting in this Z is equal to 1 and n is equal to 1. So R1 is equal to A naught. Because 1 square 1 and Z is 1. So 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. So R1 is equal to A naught. And for n is equal to 2 means R2 is equal to A naught 2 by 2 the whole square. Right?
2 by 1.
Yes. 2 by 1. So 2 square no 4. So 4 A naught. So when we substituting n is equal to 3, we get R3 is equal to 9 A naught. That's all.